Bell Tower Shops in Fort Myers. They said there was a car show up here this morning. I'm usually not out this hour of the morning, but these old timers can do it, man. A lot of late model stuff. I'm not into that late model cars. Anybody can go buy a new car, but not everybody can keep an old car up to par. This Chevy is nice, 64. Nice shape, beautiful. My God. They made them back then with a 327. Smoker. Okay, this one I'll look at. Let's see what the rear lights look like. My bed doesn't look like this. Beautiful, beautiful. Dodge people, Ford people. This I may have seen around town. No, I don't think so. Another one, similar color. Nice looking stuff. Looks like a big block in there. Here's my style, these old caddies. Two-door coupe, man. The front of that car is longer than I am tall. That's got to be about 6.5 feet. Wow. Land yacht. What if those original seats? Cloth material. How many bodies can you fit in that trunk? 944 Porsche. Never was crazy about them, but they're pretty unique. That's an old Z28. Next to it, classic Porsche. It's a pretty good crowd for a Sunday morning. Fresh Market. One of my favorite stores. Yeah, things all over the place. Can't believe they put all these people together. Here's another aisle. I'll be honest with you, it's so freaking hot out here already, man, at 9:30 in the morning. That sun is blistering. Motor Man, I think I see a few 50 Chevys down here. An old Studebaker. When do you see one of those? Okay, Motor Man, here's my bitch right here. Wow. The only thing I don't like is the post in the middle. Wow. Some big back window. This is a racer. Look at the tires on that thing. If we can even get the thickness of those tires. Ouch. This little rat rod. There's a lot of these around town. Stick shifter. Appropriate. Man, oh man, oh man. Who does this work? Pretty unique stuff today. And then we got this other rat rod slammed to the ground. It's resting nicely. Looks like an exhaust off a tractor trailer. My God, how did they do this? Piece of work or what? God bless these people who they got hands of gold who can do this kind of work. A ranch wagon. Beautiful. Wow. They made some good stuff back then. Ford. Back in mid-50s, early 50s, a slide window in the back. Where have you seen one of those? I'm seeing stuff here today I've never seen around town. Shoot, a Unimog. They actually have such a thing. I've got a Lego like this, a Unimog. A big set. Powerful. Swiss Army Troop Carrier. What a nice rig.